Yeah, welcome back for a short interlude here at the grind. So the Hillman, I took it out for a spin around, all 4 gears work, and just a quick video to, for that. It doesn't run great. It needs some carburetor work, I believe, and the tappets need adjusting and things like that. So I stuck on sort of an exhaust system so that the noise is at the back of the car now instead of right up here. So you can hear things in the motor like the tappets and all that kind of stuff. And then I went driving around the yard and round the yard, and seems all the 4 gears work and reverse works. So, that's a kind of a win, right? So I did a whole bunch of work on the rear end of it coming out in a different video that you'll see maybe in a week or so. And but I'll just pop this one up so that it's lovely when they drive, right? Okay, so I'll see you later. Please enjoy it, and like and subscribe and all that stuff. Okay, here I am back again at the what is it, 1963 Hillman SuperMinx. Now let's see about getting the exhaust system less noisy. So I've got these things here, donut things came. I hope they fit. We'll find out soon. There, I've got a sort of an exhaust system. So I was able to get that donut on way up in there. I don't know, can you see anything up there? It's hard to see up there. Way up there, you can see that shiny bolt up there. That's where the flange goes on, and there's a donut there. This one here, I just put a pipe inside a pipe and then tightened down on top of it. This corner here, I welded together, kind of poorly, but I think the whole pipe is suspect. Anyhow, I'll just go along the pipe and see if it'll pass inspection. All you do is squeeze it. If it squeezes, then it's too weak. And then I've just stuck my tailpipe on. It was very special. These things are expensive, the baling wire hangers. And another one just like it up here. So this tailpipe here is fine, and then I've got to get a muffler on it one of these days, and then I'll take the part of that tailpipe off and stick it on the end of the muffler. Anyhow, but it's all 1.5 inch pipe, which is difficult to come by. So now I might just start it up and see if it'll go for a ride. Hey, see if it's any quieter, number 1, and then number 2, we'll take it out for a spin and see if any of the gears work. That'll be fun. Anyway, there we go. Okay, I'll see if it starts. Now, see what happens. Oh, very, very comfy chair. No, you can see the chair? No, you can't, but it's very comfy. Now, I think I'm back too far. I wonder how I adjust this thing. Oh, that's forward too far. Somewhere around there, maybe. Maybe that's a good spot. Yeah. Everything feels okay. Give it a bit of choke, right? This is noisy, but it's back there, the noise. Better warm up for a minute. far. Oh, sometimes it does that. Hang on a minute or two. I'll have to let it set for a minute or 3. Yeah, there we're running again. It was the I had the fuel thing closed tight, so it wasn't allowing it to draw fuel out of it. You can hear the tappets going now. Have to get over the lump. The brakes worked well. See if we have first gear this time. That's definitely first gear. Yeah, there's the delivery guy wondering what the hell I'm up to. It was spinning tires over there. It must be dragging on the front end or something, but I'll put it up on the lift again and see. Anyway, seems to be running pretty good. Wow, reasonably good. We'll just take it for a bit more spin and then that'll be that. We have a running machine, eh? More or less. Get back in there. How's that? We got 2 miles on it now. I don't know how I got that on it. I must have been spinning the tires all the time. Anyway, all the gears work. Come up to temperature. It's charging. When it's pushed that way, it's charging. The ammeter is hooked up backwards. And everything seems to be okay. Have a look under the hood and see how it looks. See if it's spewing anything out. Here it's ticking here pretty good. That's all the valves ticking. The ring is adjusting. Otherwise, all it seems to be all right. I don't see any water leaking, so it must have been my imagination. The water leak I thought it had. I think the heater works too. Yeah, it all feels good. Brakes work, everything works. I'm impressed. That's a pretty throaty exhaust, eh? And you can see it's running rich. There's all that richness coming out of it. So I'll have to get that sorted out. It needs a carb kit or something. I guess I better cut her off. Or I might just move it out of here and then clean out the garage a bit and put it back in. I'll do that. It won't hurt it to run for a little while.